Hello friends, in the previous video we have seen how to make a family creation of the column. In that video we have to seen how to create a family for the beam. Suppose I want to create a beam of 250 by 800 dimensions, or I want to change this, suppose I want to change this as a 1200, just like that. Simply go to extrusion, select line or circle you want to be selected, draw your uh, diagram or the structure you want, and add the depth of the extrusion. Suppose I want to make the column depth, beam depth as 300 I selected 300. Just finish. So in that you have to see the beam is made. Just like that you can change the dimensions, or you can drag it from here. Suppose I have dragged this like that, this will also increases, or from here you can also drag this as per your requirement, and your beam is ready. Just like that you can make any family creation of the footing, beam, column, or any structural element you want.